How are you today?
I'm doing okay. I'm here to inquire about the MBA, Law and Economics program you have.
Okay.
You would need to talk to Ethan about that. I can call him up and see if he's available.
Who's Ethan?
Ethan,
Okay.
he's with Bow International. He can
Okay.
help you out. Hi, Ethan. There's a prospective student here for Bow International. I was thinking he could talk to you. Okay, great. Thank you. Okay, Ethan is coming. You can have a seat if you'd like.
Okay. Is it okay if I stand?
Whatever you'd like.
So he calls one of those two securities. The younger one walks out. He comes up to those 15 people.
15 people.
15 guys, like 15 smaller, taller, wider, thinner, but 15. He's one. And he's telling them, explaining to them, guys, this is private property, please leave it. They're like, they start like engaging conversation. They are like all equipped with stuff. They are chatting, and many of them eat one. Like, okay, picks up his phone, calls the other security, the older one. Like, we need you here. There are people who needs to talk.
Yeah.
The other one comes up. So the parking lot guy, security guy, he said that he was sitting under the counter and he was watching like this. Like two of them, they were like back to back.
Tomorrow you want to talk with me about the absence.
Oh, I said you should talk to Lane about your absences.
Okay.
Yeah. You're welcome. He's in school. I don't know. And he's talking now, so.
Hello, this gentleman.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm
What's
here.
your name?
My name's Michael. What's yours?
Michael.
Yes.
Why are you? I don't know what's in English.
Hassan. This is
Yeah.
Hassan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
How
meet
are
you.
you? I'm Ethan.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm doing okay.
Good. This is the student, Ren, you were
Yeah.
talking
Well,
about?
I was just here to inquire more about the MBA, Law and Economics.
Okay, let's go chat.
I know. Actually, now I will talk to Wayne.
Can we use here? For a while? Can we use this room? All right. Yes, please.
All right. Have
How are you
a seat.
doing?
Well, I'm here today.
Good. So, couple of questions at the beginning. Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
Do you have a green card?
No.
All right. So you're. What kind of visa do you have?
Currently, out of status, and my situation is somewhat complicated.
Okay. So you're out of your visa is expired.
Well, yes, I was on F1 visa before, and
Okay.
I was previously going to college in a small school in Missouri.
Okay. And now the F1 visa has already expired.
Yes, I'm out of status.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't you have any visa right now?
No.
I beg your pardon?
Right now you don't have any visa?
No.
Is not going to be a problem for you to even maybe policy is not going to stop to you?
Well, that's what I'm here for. I'm going to talk to immigration about that. I think we should be careful in the people we are stopping in this country. I think there's a great deal of law-abiding immigrants in this country who are contributing a great deal and raising issues which should be talked about. And I don't see why the police should be arresting me in any way. And I actually think we should talk more about police practices in this country. I think there is a great deal of deficit in that regard. And so, I am law-abiding, and the police have no reason to stop me whatsoever. And so, I see no reason for them to stop me in any way.
I got it. Where are you from?
Well, I am originally from Ethiopia. Where are you from? Hassan?
Ethiopia?
Yes.
Yeah. My name is Hassan.
May I ask where you're from?
I'm from Turkey.
Okay. Funny enough, I previously wrote a very long paper about Turkey, its economy, and that was part of my economic thesis.
So you did your undergraduate in Missouri,
Yes.
and you have a bachelor's degree.
Well, I have completed my majors, which was economics and political science, and I was pretty much a pre-law minor for.
But do you have a degree?
Well, that's what I'm here to inquire about. Who actually has access to enter into this MBA law program, MBA law and economics
You
program?
have to have a bachelor's degree to do a master's program
Uh,
anywhere in the United States.
Is the GRE usually not required? I mean, it depends on colleges.
It depends on the college. And we don't require the GRE, but you have to have an undergraduate degree. And you're saying you don't have one?
Well, I'm
Like
saying
a diploma from a college?
I'm saying that the situation is somewhat complicated. I have gone above and beyond the necessary requirements to actually graduate. You know, the requirements for graduation in most colleges is 120 credits,
Okay.
and my college was 122 credits. But I have gone above and beyond that. So I have like 140 plus credits.
So then why haven't you graduated?
Well, I'm missing, I need to take a biology class and
Like we're missing some general education
general
requirements?
general education, but if I believe
So
like
what we can do for you, except for the fact that you have visa problems, which I don't know if we can solve that or not, I can ask somebody, but because your visa is already expired,
well, I think we should also talk. I think not only about the F1 visa. I think we should also talk about a U visa. I think
what visa?
U visa. I think some people may qualify for it.
All right. Well, we only do an F1 visa here, okay? So if you can get a different kind of visa on your own that would enable you to study here, that would be great. You could, I don't know, you could apply for asylum for all I know, just to fix your own immigration status.
Yeah.
Now, setting that aside for the moment, let's just put the visa thing over here, okay? You could take a couple of undergraduate courses here that you would then be able to transfer to your university where you have enough graduates to graduate, right? And hopefully that would enable you to graduate from that university. But first we would have to make sure that we offer the courses that you need. What are you doing with your phone?
Oh,
Is that your phone?
yes, it's mine.
Are you recording
Are
something?
you recording something or?
Our conversation.
You're recording the conversation?
Yes, because I'm inquiring about.
All right. If you want to record conversations, typically you would ask the people if it's okay to record the conversation before you engage in the conversation. Do you understand?
Are you saying it's not okay?
I'm saying that you should ask people's permission if you're going to record a conversation. Yes, I'm saying it's not okay. I'm saying that you should ask permission to record a conversation before you start recording a conversation. For example, I look at your phone and I say, I didn't even know if you were recording or not. I had to ask you if you were recording, and that's not polite or respectful. So could you stop recording the conversation?
Well, okay.
Not that anything matters, but...
Well,
So-
I'm here to inquire more about this
Fine,
program.
inquiring about something is asking questions and receiving information. It's not require you to record the conversation, okay?
Well,
So, you need to graduate, to do a master's program, you need to graduate from an undergraduate institution. If you can fix your your visa situation, we could possibly help you, maybe, if we offer the courses, we might be able to help you get the undergraduate credits you need in order to graduate from your college in Missouri, and then you would be able to apply for the master's program here.
and what happens? How many courses do you have to take to actually receive this MBA?
The MBA is 36 credits, it's 12 courses.
Did you have a look to the website before you came here?
I beg your pardon? No, I was told that this might be like an interesting avenue by someone who knows my situation and said that this was one place I should be checking out because of my previous economic major and
Yeah. It's true, but these are the stumbling blocks. marks for you. These are your problems, okay? The first problem is that your immigration status has expired. So I can ask if we can, if once that happens, what's the process to try to get you a new I-20 F1? But that would be from our language school, Mentorra, okay? So because you're not a citizen, because you don't have a green card, and because you don't have an undergraduate degree,
Well,
there's not much we can do for you.
understand that, but again, with this undergraduate degree, I appreciate its value and whatnot, but I think in my case, like, an exception should have been granted, and so, like,
About what?
about possibly issuing the degree, I think,
But that's between you and that university.
well,
Right.
yes, I should,
You're obviously an intelligent person, okay? I can tell that you're an articulate, intelligent person, okay? And that's
well,
a
I
good
appreciate
thing.
that.
Yeah. So, but you have to deal with reality here, where you're gonna need to discuss that with your university, and you're gonna need to figure out your immigration situation. And that's, because there's nothing that I can do for you until you figure out some of this
Yeah.
stuff.
Well, right now I'm asking questions, and
Yeah.
that's partly
And I'm
why.
giving you answers.
Well, yes, I appreciate that,
Yeah.
and that's partly why I'm here.
Give me a second, let me ask somebody a question, and I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
Would you like some tea, water,
Water, I appreciate that.
some water?
Thank you.
When did you come to the United States?
I came here in 2009. How about you?
No. That's good.
Yeah. How about you?
I just came here a couple months ago.
Okay, interesting.
You're from Ethiopia.
Originally, yes.
Did you raise up there?
Yes, I grew up there till like I was
Do
18.
you
Yeah.
speak Swahili?
So, that's Swaziland. We speak Amharic and
It's not too much, but that's all the filter. I'll be right back.
but no, that's from Swaziland. Swahili is we don't speak that in my country of origin. But how's Turkey nowadays? Seems that you guys were making efforts to join the EU, but that they were not too accepting of you guys.
We don't need connection.
Actually, that's what I argued too. I think the EU should be more accepting of Turkey. That was part of.
They don't need us, we don't need them. Everyone is
Actually,
doing-
I think they need you more than you need them because EU's in clear decline. The economy is over there, and Turkey is actually like very much growing. So like, I think that was my argument actually that
Yeah.
the EU needed Turkey more than the Turkey needed EU.
Are you still recording?
Yes.
Can you stop the recording?